What does inheritance allow you to do? It's the OOP feature that saves you from copying and pasting the same methods and fields into every single class. Inheritance lets you create a new class called a subclass or child class that automatically gets all the fields and methods from an existing parent or base class. For example, if you have an animal class with properties like name and age, you can create a dog class that inherits those properties without rewriting them. The dog class extends animal, so it starts with everything animal has, then you add dog-specific features like bark. This is all about code reuse. Instead of duplicating the same name and age fields in dog, cat, bird, and every other animal class, you write them once in the animal parent class. All the child classes automatically get those shared properties and methods. This keeps your code base dry and makes maintenance much easier. But inheritance isn't just copy-paste. Subclasses can override inherited methods to customize behavior. For instance, animal might have a generic make sound method, but dog can override it to bark, while cat overrides it to meow. You inherit the structure but adapt the behavior to fit each subclass. This gives you flexibility while maintaining a consistent interface. Inheritance establishes an is-a relationship. A dog is an animal. A cat is an animal. This hierarchy enables polymorphism, meaning you can treat a dog object as an animal type in your code. You can store dogs and cats in an array of animals, and call make sound on each one. The correct overridden method runs automatically, giving you powerful abstraction and flexibility. Bottom line, inheritance lets you build class hierarchies that reuse code, customize behavior through overrides, and enable polymorphic treatment of objects. Master this, and you'll write cleaner, more maintainable object-oriented code. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.